Our mini easy hollowing tools are designed to achieve the same great results as our easy hollowing tools, but are sized to work with smaller ornamental projects and hollow forms. We offer 3 distinct angles, each with their own purpose. Each mini easy hollowing tool comes equipped with our negative rate carbide cutter for better control and less aggressive cutting, which is perfect for these small projects. The number 1 Mini Easy Hollower has a straight toolbar and is designed to clean out and finish the majority of the inside of a small bowl or the inside of a small hollow form. On a hollow form, you can use this tool to remove the majority of material on the inside of your form before switching to one of the curved Mini Easy Hollowing tools. Keep the number 1 Mini Easy Hollower flat on your tool rest, maintain the cutting edge on center to your project, keep your tool horizontal and parallel to the floor, and set your tool rest close to your project. The number 2 Mini Easy Hollower has a 45-degree angle at the end of the toolbar and is designed to reach the material further up the side wall of your hollow form without touching the opening. The number 3 Mini Easy Hollower has a 90-degree angle at the end of the toolbar. Use care when removing the tool from the inside of your form, especially if your lathe is still turning and not off. Keep the number 3 Mini Easy Hollower flat on your tool rest, maintain the cutting edge on center to your project, keep your tool horizontal and parallel to the floor, and set your tool rest close to the project with the straight edge of the toolbar on the tool rest.